What if a quadratic equation refuses to factorize? Factorization is fast, but it does not always work neatly. Today, we learn to use the quadratic formula correctly and interpret the discriminant. Here is the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. This formula works for every quadratic in standard form. ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Our main example is x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Identify the coefficients. A equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals negative 1. Write each value carefully, keeping the correct sign. Substitute carefully. X equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1, all over 2 times 1. Use brackets around every negative value to protect the signs. Simplify. 2 squared is 4, and minus 4 times negative 1 becomes plus 4, giving the square root of 8. So x equals negative 2 plus or minus root 8 over 2. Therefore, x equals negative 1 plus or minus root 2. One answer uses plus, the other uses minus. The discriminant is delta equals b squared minus 4ac. If delta is greater than 0, there are 2 real roots. If delta equals 0, there is 1 repeated root. If delta is less than 0, there are no real roots. Watch out for common mistakes, incorrect signs for A, B, or C, forgetting brackets around negative values, dividing only part of the numerator by 2a, and giving only one solution. Now try the challenge. Solve 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Series recap. Write in standard form, check for a common factor, factorize where possible, use the formula when needed, and check the solutions. Quadratic equations become manageable when you choose the correct method and follow each step carefully.